Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are looking at growing Mizuna, a delicious Japanese leaf vegetable like rocket, but with a mild flavor. Here is what you need: Mizuna seeds, which are widely available in the UK, a seed tray filled with potting compost, some water and some extra compost. First, place 3 or 4 seeds in each plug 3 or 4 mm deep. Next, cover each plug with a little extra compost. Mix well with water. After a week, you should have some seedlings which you can pot on. Put 2 or 3 seedlings in larger pots with fresh compost. Mizuna is very robust and fast growing, so these can already be planted out. Mizuna grows best in rich soil and full sun. Just look out for slugs and snails. Remember to keep Mizuna well watered, especially on hot days. Here's my first harvest. Check out my blog for recipes using these delicious leaves. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.